Welcome to Lesson 3 of Core English. You now know the names of the letters and the most common sounds they make. Now, you'll start using those sounds to read and build simple words. Let's quickly review a few letter sounds you've learned. A sounds like A, as in apple. B sounds like B, as in ball. C sounds like K, as in cat. D sounds like D, as in dog. E sounds like E, as in egg. F sounds like F, as in fish. G sounds like G, as in goat. H sounds like H, as in hat. Now, let's put sounds together. This is called blending. We take each sound and push them together to make a word. Listen. K, a, t. Together. Cat. B, I, g. Together. Big. S, a, n. Together. Sun. Try repeating each one after me. K, a, t. Together. Cat. B, I, g. Together. Big. S, a, n. Together. Sun. Let's practice reading these words. Sound them out with me. K, a, t, cat. D, a, g, dog. B, e, d, bed. P, I, g, pig. S, a, n, sun. T, a, p, top. Don't worry if it feels slow at first. This is how strong readers begin. Well done. You now know to combine letter sounds to form simple words. Now download the Lesson 3 practice sheet at our website, coreenglish.org, and do each of the drills at your own pace until you are confident in forming simple words from letter sounds. You can refer back to this video at any time if you need to. In the next lesson, we'll focus on the 5 most important vowel sounds, the heart of many English words. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.